Well, I think I have it officially broke in. The only thing I need to get used to is this parking brake. You got to pull it out a little bit and then down, which isn't all that bad. But it will choke out if you don't have it on when you get off, and also if you're trying to move and it doesn't move. So just a little something to get used to. There was a big rock here that I didn't want to hit with the mower, so yeah, that's why I wasn't steering quite straight the whole time, but I get it now. Nice smooth cut. Worked really well. I was on it for, gosh, at least 2 hours, and still on the same tank of fuel. And you know, we have a lot of hills and a lot of uneven ground to go on, so glad about the gas use on that. The My Ride suspension, wow, that was really cool. You know, the whole seat moves, and this whole deck here moves with all the bumps, And trust me, we have got plenty of uneven ground and slopes. This isn't a nice, smooth, suburban, fescue Kentucky bluegrass. It's got a lot of nasty things in it. A lot of weeds, a lot of tall things, a lot of branches. So I definitely put it to the test, but it definitely stood up to it.